What's up, Internet? This is Jason with VIP Auto Accessories, and today I want to show you everything that comes in our premium Blackout kit for the 5th generation Cadillac Escalade. Stick around to the end of the video to see a before and after. All right, let's start on the front here. Starting out, we've got the gloss black snoot that really outlines the great looking mesh black grille here. For the emblem, we've got two different options. What you can see here is the gloss black painted option. We also have the monochromatic set that you can get. That's silver on the front and the rear. Coming down here, we've got the fog bezels on the left and right. And the great thing about all these pieces here, the snoot, the grille, the fog bezels, they're all black plastic that's then painted black. So if you do get any rock chips, they're gonna be very difficult to spot. As we come around to the side, you can see the side markers here. Normally these are gonna be a bright orange, but we wanted to give it a much darker look. And we do that actually by spraying a tinted clear coat. So this is a permanent change. It's not a film. It's not gonna peel with time or degrade. It's gonna always look just as good as the day you get it. For the wheels here, we did a gloss black powder coating. So this isn't something that's normally in the package, but this customer wanted it. So we did the gloss black powder coat, as well as painted the center caps gloss black to match. As we come down the side, you're gonna first notice the window trim. This is really key to any Blackout package we do. Without it, it just wouldn't be the same. We also have the black roof rails to match, as well as door handles. The door handles in our package are normally all black. In this build, we changed it up a little bit and did black just on the top. And then down here, you'll see that the body side moldings are also a perfect gloss black match. Another unique part of this build is these emblems on the quarter glass trim. On our standard package, these are gonna be monochromatic silver. But on this build in particular, we took them off and painted them gloss black to match. As we come to the back here, you're gonna see the rear hatch trim here in gloss black, and that flows right into the black rear emblem. We also have nameplates in gloss black for both sides. And then down below here, we have the rear bumper trim that wraps around the quarter panel, and then the matching exhaust tips on both sides. Now, as I mentioned, this is compatible with the 5th generation Escalade and Escalade ESV, which started in model year 2021. If you'd like to build one of these yourself, visit VIPAutoaccessories.com to get started. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe for more custom automotive content. I'll see you on the next one.